In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use detail screens in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show rich, item-specific information with a clean, predictable tap, all using Glide's built-in actions. Start by going to Glide in your browser. Glide runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, use your usual login method and continue. From the dashboard, open the project you want to edit. This takes you into the Glide Builder, where you can see your app preview in the center, your component tree and layout on the left, and the settings or properties panel on the right. Next, select a component from the left sidebar. Choose the component that represents the items users will interact with, things like a list, a collection, or a set of cards. Selecting the correct component is important because the action we're about to add will run when someone taps an item inside that component. On the right sidebar, click Action. This opens the action settings for the selected component. Think of actions as the What happens when someone taps section. If you only see basic options, that's normal. Now, click Enable Advanced Actions. Turning this on gives you more control over what the tap does and lets you pick Glide's built-in behaviors with precision. Even if you're not chaining multiple steps, enabling advanced actions ensures you can pick the exact navigation behavior you want. Under the item click behavior, choose Show Detail Screen. This tells Glide that when a user taps an item in the list or collection, you want to open a detail view that focuses on that item. Detail screens are perfect for showing fields, images, related lists, or actions tied specifically to that record. Finally, select the data and target navigation. Confirm that the detail screen is using the correct data, the item from the collection you selected, and set where and how the detail should open. This ensures the right record powers the screen, and the navigation feels consistent with the rest of your app. That's it. You went to Glide, signed in, opened your project, selected the component, opened the action settings, enabled advanced actions, chose Show Detail Screen, and set the data and target navigation. With these steps, tapping any item in that component will now reveal a focused, informative detail screen tailored to that item. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.